On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram community guidelines problem. So if you have a problem that you can't send messages, for example, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is open the Instagram on your phone and then go to the settings on your profile, go to the top here, click on those three lines and then click on the settings. When you click on this, now you have to click on the help option right here. Now click on report a problem here in the top and click on report problem without shaking. When you click on this option, it will take you directly into this page where you can send a message into the Instagram support team. So all what you want to do is be kind and tell them the problem that you have, and also send them a photo of the problem or a screenshot from here. And after that you have to click next. Now go back to the home page, restart your phone, and you need to wait a few hours and check your email. You will see an email from Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.